Hi, just sharing EquatIO today, a Google Chrome extension for you and your students to add to your accounts to be able to create math equations. As you see in this tutorial that's kind of scrolling here on the screen, it does involve the ability to speak into it, to dictate equations. It does give you the ability to create digital quizzes and exams using Google Forms to be able to use this language as well. You can write in their equation editors, the LaTeX language, or handwriting. Math prediction, you can also, things you're going to write with a square root or square, and you'll choose this in the bottom. This is an example of handwriting for you to be able to put this into math type on the right side of the screen. So all of these you can insert into a document and into Google Forms if you ever want to use that for any assessments or just for students to show their work digitally. Once you've added the extension, then it opens up in a Google document like this. You can use a prediction feature, start typing to see it in action. You can do that here and it'll start predicting. You also have the voice for speech input. You have this is the equation editor, which brings up the screen at the bottom. You'll see this kind of disappear, or I can control the size of this here. Here in the right-hand corner, I can pull in these symbols and I can add those here and then give the values to each one. So I can make this a fraction easily and put that here. You can use the tools that are down here at the bottom. I can insert this on the paper or I can extract it from math as well. So I can put those in and you can see those appear on the page here. The other versions you'll see are the LaTeX editor, which gives you other symbols, a little bit harder to write with if you've never used that before, but some of you may be familiar with it. The handwriting I thought was really nice. If you're writing an equation, you can have the students actually write the equation here. If they're copying off of something and writing. And you can have them write the values here. They do have to write kind of neatly, but they can use their trackpad for this. And that's probably not going to come out as a Y, but let's try it. Yep. So if I'm writing an equation, my 3/4 from the fraction was still there, but now I've went to another equation here. But you can put these in here and add them. And then you can insert this into your page and then go from there. It processes it for a second, loads it up, and then puts it on the page where you can see it and show work. So for students or for you to create assignments, you can use this feature to help with those. So hopefully EquatIO gives you a chance to use some more digital tools with math. I always say that once we have touchscreens, everything will be a little bit different for math and technology, but hopefully this will help you in the meantime. Thanks, and I hope this helps in the classroom.